It's doing a sound test for the Saturator Pro. This time on some vocals. And you can hear that they might sound a little bit flabby and a little bit loose.
I won't be so far away, I'll never let you down.
And now with Band Saturator turned on, using the Pro style Blaze harmonic.
I won't be so far away, I'll never let you down.
The vocals now sound tighter and can cut through the mix more. The Blaze harmonic style is very good for vocals. Let's hear it in the context of the full mix. First without the saturation, and then with the saturation.
I won't be so far away, I'll never let you down. I won't be so far away, I'll never let you down.
Okay, more sound examples coming soon. Okay, what I was basically doing here was creating a send track, putting Band Saturator on it, and routing the main vocals to that track.